In 3, 2, 1.
Hey, you guys!
I'm back. Okay. What day is it? Okay. No. Ah! Oh. This isn't right. Okay. Yeah. Looking good, man. Looking good. Get things going. What do you say? Hey, you guys. Welcome to the show today. Hey, we're back, baby. Everything's great. Everything's new. Everything's fantastic. Out with the old, in with the new. That's what I say. Is HJ on some new stuff? Now you might still hear some weird things in the background, but the audio is going to get even better. I think you're really going to like it. That's about all I'm going to say to that. I know this is a quick, but there's a lot of stuff. Oh, my phone's going off. People love me. They want to talk to me. Too bad. I'm not going to talk to you. Things are crazy outside, but things are nuts out there. People are getting back to work. People are going back to, not school, but going back to their regular jobs and regular activities. People are starting to gather and congregate again, doing all kinds of fun, crazy things. But let me warn you, my friends, Mr. Soothsayer, he's going to give us all these warnings. I'm not trying to scare you. I just want you to be careful when you go out there. Have fun, do your thing, whatever, but be aware of social distancing practices. We don't know nothing, folks. Let me tell you, we don't know anything about all this stuff. We think we do, but we have no clue. I know what you're saying. If you're still watching this right now, you're going, something is wrong with HJ. He has lost his mind. He's screaming at us now. He needs some riddle. I am finally opening up my eyes, and I'm seeing the way things really are. Now look, if you don't like me, hey, don't watch me. Don't watch me. Share me. The truth of the matter is, and here's just the thing, guys. I have dealt with some depression issues. I'm still dealing with some depression issues. There's been some crazy things happen in my life over the course of the past few years. Stuff that's just not vital information for the public to know right now. All you need to know is that I have really struggled in the past and in this past little bit too, and I'm sure there are many hundreds of thousands of people out there that are struggling right now because of real problems, you know, family members dying and not having any money to pay the bills, and real problems out there. I realize that there's real problems out there, and that's why I've smacked myself out of it for as long as I hope this lasts. I've smacked myself out of it. Here we are, back in action. I'm excited and I'm ready to bring you some new content. This is another weird episode, and from now on, they're all going to be very strange and very weird. Maybe it's just a midlife crisis, but I believe that the times are not... The good times are not over. Let me say that. I don't feel like the good times are over here with America. I think that there's a lot of bad stuff going on right now. We obviously know what's going on there. We see a lot of bad stuff. A lot of people are polarized right now. Just let me put a pin in that. Uno momento, por favor. And whatever you're doing, if that hurts someone else's life or potential for life, then you're wrong. In this particular situation, I think power has something to do with it because, power corrupts. Absolute power corrupts, absolutely. Are we not the same inside? I'm sorry. People just like the jocks back in high school, man. There's also people out there that just want the power. And they push that power and they push it too much. And that is wrong. And this is just shining a light on a lot of problems here. That's not the only issue. That's not the only people that are abusing their power. I mean, have you looked at Congress lately? You looked at the Senate lately? I mean, I'm just saying, you have people that have been, they're lifetime politicians. That's not how it's supposed to be. I mean, you have people out there that don't have to pay back student loans and all this other jazz because they're, family members of the Senate. They can retire after so many years and do, okay. Injustice does not solve injustice. Even if you're saying, well, I'm doing this injustice to shine light on that injustice. It doesn't work like that. I'm sorry. I'm getting way off here, but it's crazy out there. No time has ever been this important as now for us to stand on what is right and what is good. Because in the end, like I said, we are all the same. Maybe we're soft little flowers, and maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm right. I don't know. I know this. It's time that we take personal responsibility over each of our actions. Be them right or wrong. I'm trying to do the same thing with my own life. I told you, I'm trying to bring myself out of depression. To get back into this way of thinking that, life is not about me. It's about everybody else. It's about helping other people. And, I'm probably failing because I doubt that I'm helping anybody with this. The only thing that can cure evil, the only thing that can fix darkness, that can destroy it, is good and light. That's all. You cannot fight darkness with darkness. It's impossible. So be good. Be a light in this darkness. Stand up. Go out and do something good. Because this life is a vapor. I don't care if you're religious or not. This life is a vapor. It's going to come and go like that. And we'll have nothing left. But what we leave behind, man. Anyway, I love you guys. See you soon. Goodbye. Maybe it's just a midlife crisis.